We all love baby Jake. He's so squidgy. And he never stops talking. And what's really special is I can tell you everything baby Jake is saying. Oh, yeah. Did you say it's time for an adventure, baby Jake? You did. It's time for an adventure, Goggy Gia. Magic fun with baby Jake. Goggy Gia. 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 Here we go, baby Jake. Magic baby, Goggy Gia! Hello! Hello, Jake! Flap! You're playing the flappy clappy game with snowflakes. Yes, someone's throwing snowballs. That was huge. Hurry. Hooray, it's Pengy Quinn. Hello, Pengy Quinn. Yeah. Oh, Pengy Quinn threw the snowballs. Flap, flap, Pengy Quinn. Flap, flap. Yes, flapping is fun, baby Jake. Flap, flap. Baby Jake loves a flappy clap. Flappy arms with a clappy pat. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do dee, bo bo bo, wee wee boo say. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi with the hamster gnaw. Flappy clappy fight with nibbles, of course. Swingle on Sydney on her vine. And Pengy Quinn slaps his feet in time. Yacki Yacki Yogi, let's do it again. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do dee, ba ba ba, beep beep Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do dee, ba ba ba, beep beep Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. Hope you love to do it too. That's super fast, flappy clapping, baby Jake. Uh-oh, you're not going to You're flappy flying, baby Jake. You're really, really flappy flying.
How fluffy?
Yes, very high.
Shoo.
Yes, sparkly. Baby Jake wants you to fly too, Quinn.
Duck.
You're right, Baby Jake. Penguins can't fly.
Hurry.
Yes. You could try flappy clappy flying, Penguin Quinn.
Quack, quack, quack.
Woohoo! Look at that.
Duck.
Gostock? He can't be. Be careful, Quinn. Penguins can't fly. Remember? Quinn, quick! You've got to flap harder to fly. Hello, Captain Spacey.
Hurry. Duck.
Penguins can't fly, but Quinn can. Now that's magic, Baby Jake. Bye-bye, Captain Spacey. Time for an adventure, Goggy Gia. Magic fun with Baby Jake, Goggy Gia. If you want to have some fun, Goggy Gia. Come and play with Magic Baby, Goggy Gia. Hello, Jake.
How? Sorry, Dad.
Yes, Baby Jake. That marrow is enormous. It sounds good enough to eat. What's that noise? Go and see what's popping, Jakey.
Bussy.
Yes, Jakey. Rows of big crunchy carrots. Yum.
Ow, ow, ow.
The carrots are popping.
Nanos.
Hooray! It's Nibbles the rabbit. Hello, Nibbles.
Bussy.
That's a really big carrot, Baby Jake. It made a very big pop.
Me back off.
Yes, Baby Jake. That's a pea pod with lots of peas inside for tea. Uh-oh! You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake?
Yeah.
You are.
Me back off.
Baby Jake loves peas to pop. Pods of peas that pop and top. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too.
Yacki Yacki Yogi. Do do dee. Bo bo bo. Boo 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 say. Yacki Yacki Yogi. Moo moo moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi with the hamster gnaw.
Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Do-do-dee.
Bow bow bow. Bing bing Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo, moo, moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi. Do-do-dee. Bow bow bow. Bing bing Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo, moo, moo.
Hope you love to do it too. We want to
4p popping. Brilliant.
bouncy pop.
Pop, pop. Wow, Nibbles. You and Baby Jake have popped a mountain of peas. Where is Baby Jake? You are very good at popping, Jaki. And so is Nibbles. Look! It's Mousy in the housey. Mousy, have you seen Baby Jake and Nibbles in there? There you are. You two are right at the top of the mountain. Uh-oh. You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake? You are.
Prizes.
Wow! Baby Jake's pea surfing! Go, Jakey!
More forces.
Baby Jake, where are you now? There you are! Driving Toot to the tractor! I see you've brought a big colander, Baby Jake. Brilliant! Peas are popping into the colander. Peas for tea. Yummy. Now that's magic, Baby Jake. Blast! Time for an adventure, Goggy Gia. Magic fun with Baby Jake, Goggy Gia. If you want to have some fun, Goggy Gia. Come and play with Magic Baby, Goggy Gia.
Whoa.
Have a good flight, Astronaut Jake. Baby Jake! Where are you? Peekaboo, Jake! Where have you gone now, Baby Jake? Baby Jake, are you playing Peekaboo? Oh. There are 1, 2, 3 windows. I wonder where you're going to Peekaboo next, Baby Jake. Peekaboo, Jake! Hooray! It's Spacey the hamsternaut. Hello, Captain Spacey. Peekaboo! Are you two ready to play? 1, 2, Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Baby Jake loves playing with you. He hides away than Peekaboo. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too.
Yacki Yacki Yogi, doo-doo-dee. Bo-bo-bo-bee-bee. Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo-moo-moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi with the hamster gnaw. Flappy clappy fun with nibbles, of course. Swingle on Sydney on her vine. And Pengy Quiz slaps his feet in time. Yacki Yacki Yogi, let's do it again. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do-do-dee.
Bo-bo-bo-bee-bee.
Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo moo moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do-do-dee. Ba-ba-ba-bee-bee. Lucy. Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo moo moo.
Hope you love to do it too. Peekaboo, Baby Jake. Peekaboo, Captain Spacey. Now where can you play Peekaboo next, Baby Jake? A comic. Uh-oh, you're not going to, are you, Baby Jake?
Yeah.
You are. Peekaboo, Baby Jake. Look, it's Baby Moon. Boo! 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 Look, it's the sunflower sun. My favourite. Peekaboo, Baby Jake. But where's Captain Spacey? Where is he now, Baby Jake? 1, 2, Peekaboo! Boo, Baby Jake! 1, 2, 3, hamster gnaw. All playing Peekaboo. The sunflowers are playing too. Peekaboo Nibbles, Peekaboo Quinn, Peekaboo Sydney. Peekaboo everyone, bye-bye everyone. Hello, Jake. Uh-oh, you're not going to, are you, Baby Jake?
Yeah.
You are. That's big, bumping Baby Jake. It's a bumpy tractor ride, Jaki. Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Beep, beep.
What is it, baby Jake? What can you see? Bumpety bumperoo!
No.
Yes, it's Nibbles the rabbit. Hello, Nibbles. I do love it when you bumpty bump, Jaki. Baby Jake loves to sit then jump. Baby Jake loves to bumpty bump. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too.
Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee, bo bo bo, beep beep, do say. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi with the hamster nose. Flappy clappy fun with Nibbles, of course. Swingle on Sydney on her vine. And Pengy Quiz slaps his feet in time. Yacki Yacki Yogi, let's do it again. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee,
Bo bo bo, beep beep, do say.
Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo moo moo.
That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee,
Bo bo bo, beep beep, do say.
Yacki Yacki Yogi.
Moo moo moo.
Hope you love to do it too.
Oh dear. No. Whoa.
Yes, Nibbles needs a rest.
No, how?
Oh, Nibbles wishes he was at home.
Oh dear.
What is it, baby Jake?
How?
Yes, it's Nibbles' home. You've gone all the way around the world. Bumpty Bump's a very long way from home. And Bumpty Bump all the way back again. Time to Bumpty Bump all the way back to the farm. Bye-bye, Nibbles. Woohoo! Look at that. Yes! Bump onto Toot Toot the tractor.
Tractor.
And home. That's magic, baby Jake. Baby Jake loves to sit then jump. Baby Jake loves to bumpity bump. Magic baby see, magic baby do. Magic baby waves goodbye. Easy Baby Jake and me. Baby Jake and you. We've had a magic time today. Easy do. That's squidgy giggly, cheeky squeegee, boingy bouncy, dimply wimply, cuddly wuggling, gurgling burpling. Magic baby Jake, that's who. Easy do. Yes, I deezy do you too. That means I love you too, baby Jake. We all are baby Jake. Come on, it's time to go.
Right, sit down.